Snoring can be a real nuisance, but did you know that certain exercises can help? First, try the tongue exercise. Press your tongue against the roof of your mouth and slide it back. Repeat this 10 times. Next, the throat exercise. Say "ah" loudly for 20 seconds to strengthen those throat muscles. Then, there's the jaw exercise. Move your jaw side to side and forward for a minute. Don't forget the soft palate exercise. Singing can actually help. Finally, the nasal breathing exercise. Breathe in through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale through your mouth. Incorporate these into your routine, and you might just find a quieter night's sleep.